Deepak, I would like to know your viewpoint that how do you envision AI fundamentally changing the landscape of cancer treatment in the next 5 to 10 years? We can also talk about the rural and urban setup over here. And what role do you think your company will play in this sort of transformation?
I'll go back to my earlier point, which is very, very critical, is early detection. I would suggest, like the earlier panelist was saying, that she was, kind of self-detecting, trying to figure out regularly. I think there'll be more apps on our devices. Device in everyone's hand is a mobile phone, which has a lot of capabilities now with the camera, and there'll be question answer and sensors, etc., etc. So there'll be ultra early detection, which means the probability of anyone getting better would be far, far, far better in the near future. I'm super optimistic about technology, so I would say it will not take 5 years. It will be even faster because the change after the whole AI, this ability to change things have been, multiplied by 100x literally. I've seen this in all my career working in technology. So I think that will happen. The second fundamental thing, was earlier discussed by the patient is the caregiver responsibilities, right? It is very, very hard for a patient to go through the whole journey. And as we all know that doctors are so busy, the hand-holding during the procedure post that is very hard. Patient cannot just go back to doctor again and again getting clarifications, right? It's very hard problem. Those problems will get sorted very, immediately, right? There'll be bots very, very soon. There are some in production already at a lot of hospitals. One I know for sure at Tata Memorial in Mumbai, which is helping patients in throughout their journey. There is ABDM, which is solving the whole documentation problem for caregiver. So these two problems are getting solved in, I would say, next year or so at a large scale across the country. And the good part about AI, it doesn't differentiate between metro and rural, right? And with AI, India AI, I think the languages problem has been solved. So when this get implemented, this will get implemented across the country.